Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople.
All right, guys, we're going to jump right in again. We want to get right to it for you.
Yeah.
How to get people to like you more.
People have to like you to do business with you. Number one thing. You can have all the skills in the world. If someone doesn't like you, they're not going to do business with you.
That's simple, guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you set a good first impression when you're talking to these sellers. So that's why when you get on the phone, you don't want to be talking about yourself. You don't want to be doing a lot of those things other people would do because other people don't care. You know, the other person on the other line wants to see how you can benefit them, how you can help them. So make sure you make it about that person, first of all. And then second of all, you want to make sure you're building rapport.
Yes.
So anytime you're building rapport with another person or a seller, whoever, you want to make sure that you are trying to find a way to connect with them. I love baseball. Ronnie, you like baseball?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I see that you have that poster from, the 1985 World Series. Were you there? Are you a big baseball fan?
Yeah. My dad was there.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
That's awesome. I love baseball. What's your favorite position?
I wish I could play shortstop, but I used to pitch.
See, guys, that's just another example of how to build rapport, right? You find a connection, you go off of it, keep talking about it, making sure it's an interest that the other person has.
What I see a lot of young people do is they'll build rapport way more than what they need, right? Guys, remember, you're building rapport to get them to trust you, to get the deal. Remember, your job is to build rapport to get the deal, not to just build rapport. Very important, guys.
Yeah, guys, you cannot forget that. At the end of the day, we're here trying to get a deal.
Yeah.
This is just ways for people to like you while you're trying to do that.
Correct. Number two, mirroring and labeling. A great tactic to use to keep people talking is just repeat the last couple of words they say. And what that's going to make that person do is just chime in more on that topic. For example, hey, Jagger, you like baseball?
Yeah, I like baseball.
You like baseball?
Yeah, baseball's one of my favorite sports.
Oh, it's one of your favorite sports?
Yeah, for sure. I've been playing it since I was a kid.
The other part is labeling, right? So a great way to give people real-time feedback of what they just told you to show them that you're actively listening is just put a label on what they told you. Jagger, so you've been playing baseball since you were a kid?
Yeah.
So it seems like you were into sports as a kid.
Oh, yeah, definitely into sports. I do love sports. Yeah, guys, and remember, that statement can be used in anything. If you want to see how it goes to real estate or whatever, it seems like you've owned the house for a very long time. You're probably tired of it, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's been 25 years, something's always going on with the house. I don't have time for it,
Oh, so it seems like you just don't have time for it.
Yeah, man, I don't have time. So you see how that kind of goes with mirroring and labeling. He's labeling kind of and summarizing what he's giving me. So it's just a great tactic to use.
Yeah, guys, to piggyback off of that, the next tip we want to give you is to make people like you more, you don't want to be talking as much, as like I said before. And for me and Ronnie, we both love to talk, so it's something you really have to focus on. Yeah. So we want to make sure that the seller or the person you're talking to is speaking at least, what would you say, 70% of the time?
Yeah, 70-30 is a good ratio.
So with that ratio, right, that means you are not speaking for most of the time. So you want to make sure when you're actively listening, you use those mirroring and label techniques to keep them talking. There's a lot of deals me and Ronnie got where the sellers loved us, and they didn't really know too much about me and Ronnie. We just let them talk about themselves and how we can help them.
Last one, ask questions, guys. So a great way to keep people talking, right, is you can mirror, right? You can label, you can build rapport all by asking questions, right? And especially you can even guide the conversation, right? If Jagger's talking about his cat and real estate and I want him to keep talking about real estate, I can even gently cut him off. So, hey, Jagger, tell me about the house.
Oh, it's a big house. I've owned it for a while. Actually, my son helped me, build this house when we were younger.
And I'm so sorry. You said you've owned it for a while?
Yeah, we've owned it for a while.
God, how long?
Like 15, 20 years.
Gotcha. So
yeah, guys. And with that being said, we really hope you have a better understanding on how to get people to like you more. With people like you more, you will have a better opportunity of getting more deals. Yeah. Just keep that in mind. Build rapport, mirror with them, use labeling, let them talk most of the time, and always ask questions.
Yeah, definitely. And to for those starting out and just wanting to get a better feel for negotiations, that's the continuation of this. Just watch this video right here and it'll help you right there.